Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this is a quick unboxing and the feature overview talking about the Redmi Earbuds 2C. This were launched yesterday, and for the introductory price of 12.99, I thought maybe this could be interesting enough because we have seen now some of the options under 1500 rupees, and this is that price bracket where you don't expect much from earbuds, but they do come as an extra accessory in your pocket for calls and for some regular music listening, and for those who don't like wires in their pockets. And so these are the TWS options from Redmi right now, the most affordable option because it comes with the price of 12.99. But how different are these from the Redmi earbuds S that was already launched earlier? So these are the Redmi earbuds S that we already have, and these also these come with almost the same set of features. From what we've seen on their marketing manuals is that they don't see the show the gaming mode for the 2C. Otherwise everything else seems the same. We don't really know about the diameter or the driver size of the earbuds, but you can see it's IPX4 on both of them, up to 12 hours of playback time on both of them. They also work with the voice assistant. No difference really. But since this is the newer price, we do expect some of the compromises, and in the new product obviously we would expect that because it's actually priced very low given the current market of the earbuds. So this is the Redmi earbuds 2C's case, and it comes with that matte finish. The first thing that I really like about earbuds casing is most of the earbud cases that have a matte finish, I do like them easily because they don't have any scratches very easily. That's the case with some of the options that have a glossy finish. They easily get scratched, and here that's not the case. And with a single hand opening or double hand, it is actually easy to open it with single hand, but in the end you'll have to again use two hands, or this is how you can pull it off. You can't easily pull out the earbuds from the case because it's a bit hard. You can in the end succeed with it, but it's a bit hard. So usually it's easy to use with two hands. And with the case, as I said, it's a completely matte finish on the exterior, on the interior, and everywhere it's a matte finish. And there's the branding and information towards the back of it, and this comes with the micro USB connectivity for charging itself. And the case comes with a 300 mAh battery, while the earbuds that are 4.1 gram each, they come with a 43 mAh battery for charging, for the battery life. And the battery of the claimed battery life is about 4 hours for the each earbud, and it's a total of 12 hours, which means double charges would be given from the case. That's two charges in total. But in the end, what I would say is the battery life, we are not right now sure about it because I have seen the Redmi earbuds S to actually offer almost 4 hours or 3.5 hours of battery life with the music listening on the earbuds, and yes, double for the case. So I hope and expect that this should be same with the 2C because it doesn't really change here. It's the same codec that is SBC supported on even these. It's the same IPX4 certification, and even the case has the same 300 mAh battery while 43 mAh on the earbuds. And these don't come with any touch control. It's just the button press here, and these are ready for pairing. So I've already paired them. I've already used them just to try out how things work, and is there any real difference between these and the earbuds S. We really don't find any difference here. So the Redmi earbuds 2C is connected here, and there's no special codec there, so no difference there. And now if you also see this is the button, that is the multifunction button. You can see that it actually digs in, and you can clearly notice that. And this is for the music play and pause. And apart from that, the same button, when you tap twice on it, if you press this on for two times, it would actually open the Google Assistant here. So that's how easy it is to actually activate the Google Assistant, and that is with both, both the earbuds, the same functionality would be there. One of the good things with the Redmi earbuds S or even the Redmi earbuds 2C is that they come with the mono and stereo mode. So right now I have one earbud taken out of the case, and I can still use it. There's no need to actually pair both of them and then use them, or use one of them. But anyway, don't expect them to come with any smart sensors. Don't expect them to come with anything like the auto pausing and playing. That is not seen even in the earbuds priced at 3000 rupees or so. That is a very rare case. Here it's all basic stuff that you're getting, but the only thing I see now is that Redmi might have noticed that now the market is filled up with options and people are finding it hard to actually choose the Redmi earbuds as given the current market with the better codec supports there. So that is why I feel like yes, now we see this one at a cheaper price so that people have an option under the 1500 rupees price range. And this also comes with the DSP environmental noise cancellation. I've tried it only on one call, and that too at my in my the same room where I'm doing the video. It was with the AC and fan turned on. I just had to understand whether the person on the other side, on the caller on the other side, is going to get any of that noise. They did, but it was only to a certain extent. So it works, but not so greatly. And since these are in ear, you still get a little bit of a proper seal or the natural isolation inside your ears, and they do sit very well. They don't easily fall off, and that's a good thing with the in-ear options. That's one thing usually that you see. It's pretty snug and they don't fall off, unlike the ones that don't have the in-ear tips inside the earbuds. And apart from that, the casing is also not that heavy. This should be easily pocketable and without any issue. But the full review would be coming in very soon on this channel as well as on our Hindi channel, where we would also be comparing this with some of the options in the same price range. But for now, I would say the quick review of this one, I haven't really tested out the battery life. I just hope it's the same as what we have seen on the earbuds S, but we'll do a full review to confirm the same, and there we would also talk about the sound quality. It seems pretty decent enough. It doesn't have heavy bass output, and otherwise it's still well balanced, and the out volume level also is not bad. Since you have an in-ear option, the other good thing about in-ear is that since it creates the seal, you don't have any loss of noise. I mean, because of the background noise or the exterior noise, what happens is even if you put the earbuds into a higher volume level, you still feel like it's not giving out a lot of volume from itself. But here that's not the case. So we feel that it's still quite a good one with the audio quality as well. But of course, you can't compare it with some some better options from the brands like Realme as well, because Realme's Buds Q also did perform quite well. So we'll be doing a side-by-side comparison of those two to let you know which one is a better choice in case you have a bit of a flexible budget. For now, this was the quick unboxing and a feature overview of the Redmi Earbuds 2C. Stay tuned for the full review and the comparisons that would soon come on the channel. So if you have any other questions, do comment down below and we'll try to answer that. And if you end up liking this video, do hit the subscribe button for the future updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.